Phillipe, the last 2 weeks have been incredibly overwhelming beyond anything we could have ever imagined. Just when we didn't think life could get any more stressful, we had no choice but to weather a literal hurricane together. But the truth is, metaphorically speaking, we are no strangers to weathering storms together. We could have given up on each other when we realized that falling in love with a person outside of our own citizenship would require us to take a non-traditional path, one that would force us to prove our love to doubtful strangers and to engage in a year-long fight for the ability to be together. For a period of time, we lived in fear and uncertainty about what our future could look like. We had to hold on to each other in circumstances that were outside of our comfort zones and largely outside of our control. We could have allowed the stress of that process to tear us apart, but our stubborn love was our strength.
Well, I wish to have you here right now. I can't wait to meet you. You're the love of my life.
Every page worn in, and ink is faded. I remember your hands, we'll write it out in cursive. Every detail memorized, can restart every line. The pattern of the dress you wore, the color of your eyes, everything just hits.
Today, we are here to make one of our dreams and plans come true. Only you and me know how hard it was to be here.
Let me here, baby.
No, I'll keep watch on we built our world.
Hi. You look so handsome.
So gorgeous.
Thank you. Hi.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. You're so handsome.
This is the curtain, and it all comes crashing down. At least we had the world in what
Com um sinal
do meu amor
do meu amor
e fidelidade.
e fidelidade.
I remember Tristen telling me that Phillipe was wanting you to go to church, and you did. And then I saw a beautiful transformation start between you both, and I believe that God led you guys to each other.
O que eu desejo a eles é felicidades
What I wish them is all happiness
e a bênção de Deus.
and the blessing of God.